Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and this is day 1 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. Now, there's several different jump rope challenges out there. You can Google them. I'll put the one that I'm doing, I'll put it up on the screen right now, and then I'll put a link to it below. So if you want to do this particular jump rope challenge, you can. This ain't a beginner one, but it ain't like a super advanced one either. So day 1, we got 50 jumps. So we're going to see how it is. I'm going to go all 30 days. Hopefully I can document it all. Hopefully I won't forget one day or just don't be in the mood to record. But I'm going to try to document the whole 30 days. I might miss a couple days here and there. But ultimately, from day 1, I'll definitely get day 1 and definitely get day 30. Let you guys know how it was. If you want to follow along, comment. Let me know if you did it. Do so. All right? Let's get jumping. Day 1, 50 jumps. Let's work. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to join the BTFL accountability group, I can't even say it. I'll put a link below. Join it. That's where you can get motivated to work out. You can share your workout experience, give workout tips, give all that good stuff. So link below. It's the BTFL fitness accountability group. Check it out. Super cool. All right, now let's get jumping.